When a Jamaican in a full-blown communication with you, they might ask you if you sleep, they might ask you if you eat. I reach a point where they might tell you good night, and they might communicate every day. I check in upon you. Don't think them a look no friend. I fuck them a look. Them not talk to them friend like that. Them not communicate with them friend like that every minute, every day. Ask them if them sleep. Ask them if them eat. Or tell them good night. No communication. No go on like that. So from you start get them that type of communication, then just know say you're not a friend thing no more. I fuck them a look. Sometimes you end up in a relationship. Sometimes it's just a fuck. But yeah, take my advice. No friend thing them a look. If you love Jamaican vibes, make sure you follow us, lock in with the vibes. Don't left it out, ends out, and I'm out.